Well, just an update on that last video about using Python to do translation. I've upgraded a little bit with the help of ChatGPT and got it's a rather crude GUI, but it's a lot easier to use than going into PyCharm every time. And I've been running a few tests on it. So I'll boot it out and let you see it. I've got it in executable form. There it is. There's the icon, translator, I've called it. And you select the language that you're going to be getting it from. So I'm going to pick French. Select, I don't know, so Microsoft Zero, I don't know. I've only got 3 voices. You can put more voices into Microsoft Windows, but I seem to have a little bit of trouble for it recognizing them, and it wouldn't recognize them at all to begin with. And now select the file. So let's pick one. Let's see, flying monkey. That's a French.
Il y a un singe qui vole dans l'arbre.
It's some monkey on a tree, I think, or something it says. I'm not sure. And it's got to select the French FR. There's the other ones, Italian and Japanese and so on. So flying monkey.
There is a monkey flying in the tree.
Oh, there it is. So there's the French. Il y a un singe qui vole dans l'arbre. And there is a monkey flying in the tree. Select another one.
Pouvez-vous me parler en français?
Can you speak to me in French? I think. Or something like that. Speak. That's the one.
Can you speak to me in French?
Yep, that one's fine. What else?
Où est l'arrêt du bus?
Où est l'arrêt du bus?
From the other, where is the arrêt du bus? Where's the bus stop?
Where is the bus stop? Where is the bus stop?
Yeah, that was from the previous video. I used that one. Now let's try the Ukrainian one. Now, I discovered that if it's over a certain length, it won't work. I think you've got to subscribe in some way to get tokens or something. I'm not really sure, to the Google Cloud or something. But I think it might work up to 2 minutes worth of speech. This is a little bit over a minute, but I don't want to bore you with the whole thing. But this is the Ukrainian one, over a minute's worth of it, taken from a video.
Приветики. Вот вчера наконец-то заказала зимний комбинезон вида, и уже сегодня он мне пришел. Предлагаю вместе сделать обзор. Итак, первое.
Okay, so it goes on for about a minute. So first of all, you select. It's funny. It's UK, of course. You think it's really British, but that's Ukrainian. This, by the way, is the speed it's speaking at. You don't want to if you make that too fast, it's going to sound a bit silly because it speaks very fast. 150 is about a reasonable rate of speech. I select the file, test4, which is an MP3 file. And we just have to wait till it's processed it. And it'll keep going till it's done it.
And yesterday I finally ordered a winter jumpsuit of the type, and today it arrived. I suggest we do a review together. So the first, by the way, the coolest thing is what is now on the site. If suddenly you can't decide on a color, and it is always difficult for us girls, then you like 2 of them, they sent you all sorts of things, and when you have already decided the second one, you send it back and you get your money back right away. A very convenient thing. So let's start with a zipper. Yes, very convenient. Somehow it is written here is an internal pocket of all pockets. English. Here inside is a very deep pocket. It fits easily, I think.
Oh well, there it is. Can expand that. There's a translation. I don't know what the original is. I'm not saying it's perfect, but that's what it's giving out, Google. And that's it really. So thank you very much for watching. It's a very short video, just an update.